Human brain have two different sides, which is the left brain and the right brain. The left brain is more on analytical, reasoning, logical, numerical, objectivity, and practical. Meanwhile, the right brain focuses on artistic, imagination, face recognition, emotion, subjectivity, and intuition. Therefore, the left brain is always known as a thinker, while the right brain commonly known as dreamer. Both sides of the brain plays an important role for present or even in the future. Most kindergarten focus more on academic, which is a good way for the children to learn. But this also means that they're using more on the left brain. So here at the DeBrain program, we help the kids train to use their right brain in learning. This way, they can learn to use both sides of the brain to make studying much more fun and engaging. Through this program, the kids will have more on photographic memory, fast learning through visual input, emotional intelligence, creativity, and imagination. Follow us on Facebook to help your kids make learning more fun.